Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure your Nest camera is active and your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, open the Google Home app because it discovers devices and controls casting. Make sure the Chromecast or TV input is powered and visible. The app won't show a device that's asleep or on a different network. Now locate the camera card in Google Home so you're ready to start the cast. You'll now initiate the live stream to the TV. Tap the Nest camera card in Google Home, then choose the cast option. Once you pick your Chromecast or TV, the app negotiates the stream and negotiates resolution automatically so the feed plays smoothly. Make sure the TV input matches the Chromecast if required, otherwise you won't see the video even though casting is active. If prompted, allow camera permissions or notifications so audio or alerts carry through when necessary. To finish, confirm the live view is on your TV and test pan/tilt or talk features if your Nest supports them. Then stop casting from the app when done. If playback stutters or drops, lower stream quality in the camera settings and make sure devices aren't congesting your Wi-Fi. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the Chromecast and router first. Most discovery or casting failures resolve after a quick restart because it clears IP conflicts and forces devices to rejoin the network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.